Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reduce shipping cost on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen and website looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have the search bar, all of the categories on this website. We have your name, we have recently viewed stuff, favorites, and we have the shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reduce shipping cost on DHgate. Well, first of all, what you need to do guys is go to the search bar and find something that you would like to be shipped to your address. So you basically click here. And for instance, I'm going to go and see, I want to buy maybe a mask, click on that. And now you just need to go and wait for it to, of course, load. And here we'll have some masks. You can go and choose a mask that you would like. Then what you need to do, guys, is go and just click buy it now. When you click on buy it now, you'll have the options. As you can see, for this article, the free shipping is free for my country. So basically, you'll have some free shippings for your country probably. But if you do not have one, you can always go and use some coupons to make your shipping free. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really, guys, helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. And as always, guys, that'll be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.